As the leading online retailer of premium branded bathroom products, UK Bathrooms have been constantly asked if we can help with layout and design, and so we introduced our 3D bathroom design service. We now have dedicated design consultants with many years of experience and whose role is to create the bathroom of your dreams. Our expertise in the bathroom industry allows us to design functional and extraordinary spaces that will last the tale of time. As well as offering advice, we will provide product sourcing with all of the products available on our website. We will take you through the process of planning and designing your new bathroom. We will present you with a 3D render of your dream space and a quote which will then allow you to purchase the exact products that you need. We'll make it as easy as we can for you, without even having to leave the comfort of your own home. Once we receive your completed online form, your design consultant will contact you to discuss your project, aiming to understand your preferred style, get some idea of your requirements and your overall vision for your new bathroom, along with an idea of budget so that we can make a relevant estimate and so that we don't get carried away. We can work seamlessly over the phone or correspond via email, whichever is best for you. The next stage is planning. At this point, we'll go over the details of the project. We'll ask questions such as your room measurements, any preferences you have for specific bathroom brands, and other relevant information. Due to our unparalleled product knowledge and the fact that we sell bathroom products from the best bathroom brands in the world, we can suggest and recommend a multitude of choices to perfectly suit your needs. The third stage is creating your floor plans. Your design consultant will review your specifications and requirements. All measurements are to scale and proportion, and once the floor plan is completed, we'll be back in touch with you to discuss the drawings. Only when you are satisfied with the layout will we get to work to create your fully rendered bathroom in 3D. This will bring to life your new planned room with the exact products, accessories and colours. When your 3D render is complete, we will send you the full 3D design and your panoramic walk-around view. This can be shared with all of those involved in your project, such as your installer, and used on smart devices too. To book your bathroom design consultation, please look in the description for a link to the design page on our website. Or if you are already on the page, please click Book a Design Consultation.